What can you expect at the Ad Congress, aside from the world-class speakers? So you don't have to go out of the country to be able to experience and learn from inspiring, game-changing thought leaders, but you can just go to CWC this November. We also have sporting activities and a lot of exciting events. On the first day, there is a fellowship night hosted by Governor El Rey Villafuerte. That's on November 16. On the 17th, we start with our opening ceremonies, a keynote speaker, and the relaunch of the ad board, which will be big news for the industry. We continue with our plenary speaker, Charlene Lee. Charlene Lee is known for her book called Groundswell, and she was probably the first to mention this and the effect of the digital landscape in how we communicate and how we do our advertising and marketing. Charlene Lee is a magna cum laude from the Harvard Business School. She was also voted into the top 100 most creative people in business. She's the founder of the Altimeter Group, which really has research-based info teaching businesses how to survive in this digital age. So Charlene Lee is going to start off the plenary sessions. Then after lunch, we have Charles Cadell. He's Regional Managing Director of the McCann World Group. He's in charge of Southeast Asia and Australia. His topic is about social media and how it changes the game in brand communications. Then we move on to television content. And we have Patrick Schultz, Chief Executive Officer of Fremantle Asia. Have you heard of Fremantle? Yeah, they're the guys who are the creators behind American Idol, yeah? Price is Right, Family Feud, and of course, Got Talent. And we know this is one of the more leading shows in ABS-CBN. Then we move on still to TV content with Laura Wendt, Vice President and Managing Director of Disney Channel Asia. She's in charge of Australia, New Zealand, Korea, and Southeast Asia. And Ricky O from AXN. He's Senior Vice President and General Manager for the network. They're going to share with us how content changes the game for them on their particular medium. And of course, we end November 17 with our very own Filipino game changers. We're so proud and excited to hear from Brillante Mendoza, our Cannes-winning director, Kenneth Cobonpue, globally renowned industrial designer, whose designs are in the home of Brad Pitt. And of course, Team Ascals. So we've been rooting for this team. We're going to have Captain Ali and the brothers' young husband. Now, moving on to day 3 of the Ad Congress, November 18, we start with another game-changing lineup of speakers. And for the first time, we will have on the same stage the 3 chairmen of the television networks. So, kanino yung ano dito? GMA? Anong camera? O, TV5? O, ABS-CBN? Para ibahin ko lang yung billing. Sino yung ABS dito? Yon, okay ha? So, for the first time on the same stage, Mr. Gabby Lopez of ABS-CBN, Attorney Felipe Gozon of GMA7, and Manuel Pangilinan of TV5. Okay, sino may GMA camera dito? Wala? Dyan, okay. Sa'yo naman. To start day 3, on November 18, we will have on the same stage the 3 chairmen of the television network. Kapuso, Attorney Felipe Gozon, Manuel Pangilinan of TV5, and Gabby Lopez of ABS-CBN. Okay. Ano ba? Okay. So, no, but seriously, they're all gonna come on stage and we're going to have them in the order of age. So you will find out who was born first among the 3. Okay, and they will talk about the future of media. So we're all excited actually about this particular session to hear from these 3 leaders. Then we move on to yet another big shot. This time the chairman of Nestle Philippines, John Miller. And he's going to show how their company and their brand really changed the game and addressed this growing concern on wellness and about their Choose Wellness campaign. Then we move to Yori Vandenberg. He's co-founder and Gen Y expert from Insights Consulting, and he is the author of How Cool Brands Stay Hot. So he's really going to talk about this segment of the youth. Then we move on to Mark Tatzel, a globally recognized Chief Creative Officer from Leo Burnett Worldwide. Mark Tatzel was the jury president for the Cannes in 2010. And of course, he has a long list of medals that he can be proud of. So we've done TV, we've done brand, and of course we have not forgotten print. And we have Geoff Tan, Senior Vice President from Singapore Press Holdings. This is the Singapore Straits Times. And I'm sure he'll be able to give us some ideas for the print segment, both for marketers and from the media, on how this is going to evolve and really change their game as well. And finally, we believe in the advertising industry can learn from the fashion industry because they change so often. They're experts, whether it's color, lines, design. And we will learn from experts like Vince Uy, who's also a crossover from the advertising industry. I think he used to be art director with Saatchi. Vince Uy is now creative director of Preview Magazine. He will be joined by his editor, Pauline Suaco Juan. Do you know Pauline Suaco is another crossover? She used to work for Checha Lazaro and she was in TV media. Then she moved over to print. Then, of course, Marlon Rivera, our own also from the advertising industry, crossing over to fashion. And Marlon is a designer.